Hi, I'm Dr. Charbel, founder of Integrated Health Solutions. At IHS, we believe health isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about unlocking your potential and maximizing your performance so you can play your best game on and off the court.
And hi, my name is Ryan Atkinson, co-owner of Indianapolis Pickleball Club and certified professional instructor. Excited to partner with Dr. Charbel and IHS to bring you this excellent content, as well as to continue to help our community fall in love with the sport and grow with it. Let's get started.
Thank you. All right, we're here today to demonstrate how to utilize a foam roller, a fantastic tool to loosen up your posterior chain, the muscles of your back, the gluteal muscles, hamstring, and your calf. With Ryan today, we're gonna lift up your glutes, support your head. I like to support the neck so you're not tensing up too much. And with that one, we're gonna start gently rolling forward and back. The idea here is to feel like you're getting yourself a gentle massage. If there's any acheness or tension or pain, you can stop. You don't have to go all the way down or up. You do that for a few seconds, and then you come up about here and you can sit down, and then you can lean back at this point. I like to extend my back and release backward to allow my mid-thoracic to release. We sit a lot on computer stations and driving, and with that, we end up rounding a lot. So as we lean back here, allow us to open up our thoracic. That helps you with overhead shots and rotation so your mid-back is not too stiff. Scoot down 1 more inch, Ryan, that's it, and relax here. Again, supporting your neck will be good. The idea here is to relax as much as possible so your mid-back open up. Just allow the gravity to pull you back. From here, Ryan, we're gonna move down to the glutes. We're gonna lift up a little bit, yeah, and we're gonna lean on the side. So you can, and then I would say for this position, bend this leg, and then bring this arm forward here, exactly. And then try to focus on your glute muscles. If you can, yeah, try to keep your leg bent a little bit more, very good, just like that. So with this one now, we're focusing on the glute muscles. The glutes are very important as you're standing in a ready position, whether you're in the back or in front of the court. They take a lot of load. They're the biggest muscle in our body. It's good to utilize them to generate power, speed, but they get triggered, they get tense. And sometimes we have that pain in the low back or in the glutes that prevents us from being at the court. So this is a fantastic tool in a way to also release those muscles. From here, we're gonna move down to your hamstring. And then with the hamstring, you can double up your legs as Ryan just did. Ideally, I prefer to start rolling when I'm in the middle of the muscle, so this way you can target the whole area in one motion. If you're not feeling the pressure from the hamstring enough with this, you can double them up as Ryan did here. Again, the hamstring gets a lot of load as you're leaning forward trying to pick up balls, especially if you're trying to volley up. Don't forget to get the inside of the muscles a little bit. And then with that one, if that's uncomfortable, you can just scoot your foam roller down this way, and with that you can target the inside of your hamstring. Get comfortable, there's no right or wrong. The parts that are not favorable that we will consider cones will be targeting bones and spending a lot of time on the bones, so just try to get the soft tissue as Ryan is doing here. But again, get comfortable if you want to move your hands certain ways. Let's move down to the calf. That will be the last part of our posterior chain. The calves are as well, gets a lot of load on them, especially down on the Achilles, being on the front of the foot, on the toes, trying to get to those balls, being reactive to the ball, gets a lot of load. Just like we did with the hamstring, don't forget to get the inside as well of the calf, or as Ryan was just doing, to double up your legs to get more deeper pressure with that. And that we conclude the foam rolling of the posterior chain. Hope you enjoyed.
So what I absolutely love, what we just did with Dr. Charbel, is a few things on the pickleball court. First and foremost is my lateral movement. So remember how we were doing those different types of foam rolls and I was really getting deep into some of the tightness that I might be having. In pickleball, we're always low, right? We're getting deep, we're bending over, we're using those legs, those big muscles that we have. What we were doing before really helps with that motion. And remember too, we were working on expanding my back and really keeping those shoulders back. So when I turn to do overheads, that's gonna make that movement so much easier for me to do, put a little bit more power into it, but also have more flexibility and range of motion that's gonna really translate to doing better things on the court.
Love it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget we have another video that's going to be dropping very soon. A huge thank you to Dr. Charbel and IHS for helping us out with this one.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure. So thank you all. For additional information, please see below information on Ryan, IPC, and myself and IHS. Thank you.
We'll see you guys soon. Thanks, Doc.
Thank you.